Culture of Maharashtra and Odisha, an art integrated project, subject social science, made by Moni Siddharth Sandeshwar, class Tanzania, Father Agnes School, Tudka Tumsar.
So, what is culture? Member of social groups can be called culture. Art, music, literature, architecture, sculptures, philosophy, religion, and science can be seen as aspects of culture. However, culture also includes customs, traditions, festivals, ways of living, and one's outlook on various issues of life. Culture of Maharashtra.
Language of Maharashtra. Marathi is the language spoken by 83 million Marathi people of Maharashtra. It is the official language and co-official language in the Maharashtra. And its dialects are Varadi dialect and Agri. And its writing systems are Devanagari, Modi script, Balbodh, and Marathi Braille.
Arts and crafts of Maharashtra. From Kolhapuri chappals to Warli painting, Maharashtra has a rich art heritage such as the gorgeous gold bottle and palla of Paithani saris, Warli paintings, and Kolhapuri chappals. Bidri wares and hand-woven textiles, Savantawadi craft, and Kolhapuri sari. There are many forms of dance and music in Maharashtra such as Povara, Lavani, Natya Sangeet, and Tamasha. Koli is also a form of dance which has been performed by the people living near to the sea. Dindi, it is a dance form that is popularized by the Warkaris. Literature of Maharashtra. There are different periods in the literature of Maharashtra, such as in Yadav period, Dhaneshwar Maharaj was famous. In Deccan Sultanate period, Sant Eknath was famous. In Maratha period, Sant Tukaram Maharaj and Samartha Ramdas, who was the guru of Shivaji Maharaj. Now we will come to the British period, or it is also known by modern period. You can see all the influences of this period. You can see it by pausing the video also. Now let us pay attention to the beginning of journalism. The persons such as Bhashastri Jambedkar, M.G. Ranade, Jyotiba Phule, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, and Bhimrao Ambedkar, some of the names of the journalists of that period. Architecture and the sculptures of Maharashtra. We all know that Maharashtra is rich in architecture and sculptures such as Ajanta Cave, Grineshwar Temple, Shivaji Temple, and Gateway of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangralaya, DV ka Maqbara, Fort University of Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminals, Huzur Sahib, and Ajanta Caves are some architects of Maharashtra. Now we are going to see the temples and religions of Maharashtra. We all know that different religions of people living in Maharashtra such as Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, and Sikhism. We can see the percentage of religion lived in Maharashtra. Different religions have their different gods and their temples, such as for Hindus, the Hindu temple, for Buddhists, Vihar, and for Christians, church, for Islam, Dargah, for Muslims, Masjid, and for Sikhs is Gurdwara. There are different festivals celebrated in Maharashtra such as Ganesh Chaturthi, Nag Panchami, Gudi Padwa, Krishna Janmashtami, Makar Sankranti, Ellora Festival, Ashadhi Ekadashi, Bangla Gauri, Pola, Shivaji Jayanti, and Van Ganga Festival. Traditional clothing in Maharashtra. Costumes of men in Maharashtra. Men wear dhoti with kurta or shirt, which is a famous costume throughout Maharashtra. They also put on bandi over their t-shirt, and there is a turban known as pagdi and peta. During the festival seasons, men wear akan surwar, churidar, and pajama. Costumes of women in Maharashtra. The 9-yard sari for women is known as Nawari. There are Paithani saris as well, popular for their special styles and looks. They make use of choli along with polkas, women adorn stunning jewelries and fold them in a style. Urban costumes in Maharashtra. The urban clothing of Maharashtra is very vibrant and vivid in style, especially Mumbai boasts a great lifestyle and many people follow Western clothing in their daily lives. Maharashtra cuisine. The Maharashtrian thali contains pav bhaji, vada pav, puranpoli, misal pav, modak, ragda patties, bhardi wangi, श्रीखंड, पोहा, साबुदाणे खिचडी, रस्सा, सोलकढी, पिठला भाकरी, आमटी, भेलपुरी, बासुंदी, कैरीचा पन्ना, आमरस, कढी, and Bombil duck. Sports in Maharashtra. Sports is an important part of culture of Maharashtra. Sports like kabaddi, hockey, kho-kho, tennis, cricket, table tennis, and many more is played in Maharashtra. This is all about the culture of Maharashtra. Now let us turn our attention to the culture of Odisha. Culture of Odisha.
Language of Odisha. Odia is the language spoken by 82% of the population and it is the official language of Odisha. It is spoken by Odia people and its writing system are Odia and Odia Braille.
Arts and crafts of Odisha. Odisha displays sound skills of the artisans and influence of rich culture, from fine stone carving to traditional art of Pattachitra. Crafts like stone carving, Pattachitra, hornworks, sand art, palm leaf painting, Jyoti Chitta Muruja and lacquer work, hand-woven textiles, bale metal and brass handicrafts, applique work are seen in Odisha. There are 10 unique dance forms of Odisha which are spectacular in their distinctive ways, such as Chau dance, Kochipogha dance, Odissi dance, Pagnach, Ghumru dance, Rannappa dance, Kodisang dance, Chaitri Gora dance, Sambalpuri folk dance, and Paika Nutya. We note that Odisha has a rich heritage of architecture and sculpture such as Mukteshwar Temple and the Diamond Triangle and the Sun Temple at the Konark. Lingaraj Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva. Radharani Temple is believed to have been known originally as Indeshwara. It is locally known as Love Temple. There are 13 festivals of Odisha that we must know of. Durga Puja, Kalinga Mahotsav, Chandan Yatra, Konark Dance Festival, Mahavisuva Sanskranti, Raja Parva, Rath Yatra, Magha Saptami, Makar Mela, Chau Festival, Puri Beach Festival, Nokai, Chatar Jatra. Traditional clothing in Odisha. Traditional sari, draping style of Kathak, the western style dress has gained greater acceptance in cities and towns. Among men, although the people prefer to wear traditional dresses like dhoti, kurta and gamcha during festivals or other religious occasions. Women normally prefer to wear the sari, Sambalpuri saris or salwar kameez. Western attire is becoming popular among the young women in cities and towns. Odisha cuisine. The Odishan thali consists of खिचडे, चुंगडी मलाई, मच्छा घिटा, डालमा, पाकला भाता, उच्चूक, दही वडा, चेना पोडा, रसापाली, कनिका, पीला, संतुला, चावराई, आलू केला रसा, कढई मंजा राई, पिसारा, खट्टा संग चटनी, चकली पिठा, कोरा खाई, चावला बारा, चीना झिली, खाजा, गाजा, and हलवा laddu and so on. Sports in Odisha. Sports is an important part of culture of Odisha and hence it plays a key role in development of the state. The sports played in Odisha like hockey, athletics, tennis, rugby, football and cricket are some sports played in Odisha. The Maharashtrian culture is one of the most diverse and brilliant all throughout India. Today we have explored the rich heritage of Maharashtra and Odisha. The Odisha culture has the influence of the Aryans, Dravids and Adivasis culture. This is all about the culture of Maharashtra and Odisha. Thank you for having attention during my presentation.